Hi HBNR families, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of how to cut your joggers pant professionally, either you are a male or you are a female. So if this is your first time coming across this channel, please kindly subscribe and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to apply my length measurement, which is 37. So I'm going to deduct 2 inches for my waistband. So I've deducted the 2 inches like this, and I'm going to measure to my length measurement, which is 37, and I'm going to add extra 1 inches for the hemming allowance. So whenever you are cutting joggers, so you are going to use your hip measurement for your waist measurement, and the reason is that my joggers is not going to have zip and it will not pass through my hip area if I use my normal waist measurement. So for this reason I'm going to use my hip measurement for my waist measurement. So far I'm going to attach elastic band to the waist area. So now I'm going to apply my waist measurement by dividing my hip by 4. My hip is 38, so I divided it by 4 and it gives me 9.5. So I mark 9.5 in the waist area. And also I'm going to determine my crotch by dividing my hip by 4 also. So this is my crotch area. I also mark 9.5 inches. So I'll come to this area also to mark 9.5 inches, and I will draw a straight line for my crotch area. So now I'm going to apply my normal hip measurement, which is 38 divided by 4. It gives me 9.5, and I'm going to add extra 2.5 inches to it. So after that I'm going to draw crotch curve like this. So after drawing the crotch curve, the next thing is to link my crotch area to the ankle area. So I marked 7 inches for my ankle measurement. So I'm going to use my hip curve to connect the crotch area to my ankle area. Just like this. So I'm going to mark 2.5 inches here for my pocket area, and also I will mark 6.5 inches downward because I want a slant pocket. So I'm going to notch the marked area in this and also I'm going to notch the 2.5 I marked also at the top. So I'm going to use my ruler to make a bit curve for the pocket area. Please, if you derive any value from this video, please kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, you get notified. So I'm going to cut the front part out like this. So I'm going to fold the front part of the joggers like this in order to determine the center of the ankle area and the center of the waist area. The reason is that I want to make a top stitch that will look just like a slit, just like a pleat on the both front part. So I'm going to place the front part I cut. I'm going to place it on the remaining fabric. So I'm going to add extra 1.5 inches in this area, in the crotch area, and I'm going to draw a straight line to link to the tips of the pocket area. So I'll add extra 2 inches to the back side. So I'm going to add it from the waist to the ankle area. So I'm going to link the line together so that I won't make a mistake while cutting. So the reason for the extra 2 inches I added is just for ease, so that the joggers will not be too tight. It will be accurate and balanced while putting it on. So when I'm done cutting the front and the back side, now the next thing is to cut my waist band. So I cut the elastic band, which is 5 inches in height, so that when I fold it like this, it will be equivalent to 2.5, and after attaching it to the waist, after sewing it to the waist of the pant, it will be equivalent to 2 inches. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to sew the joggers pant, which will look exactly like this.